We are back in the garage yet again, and what I want to talk to you about today is a product that I've been using for quite some time now for a variety of different things, and they are the Nivilli nail shoes. As you can see, well worn and used, but these things are pretty great. Now last year I used the little strap-on aerating shoes. They did not work, but these have been really solid. The nails are fantastic. The length is pretty good. Now, I have used these shoes to create little pockets for the seed when overseeding this bare spot right here. I've used them to poke holes in some landscaping fabric, and I've actually worn them while mowing more recently. As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't hurt to have a few extra holes in the yard when I overseed. I'm really impressed with the quality and the comfort of this shoe. So just if you're in the market for something like this, I would strongly recommend that you do check out Nivilli tools.